told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Good morning, Singapore. Down. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Singapore. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, Taiwan, Japan, Australia, Canada, US. Good morning, La Paz, Cabanatuan, Isabela. Hanggang sa Baslo. Ito, tinapon dito ng mga sapatos. Wait. Tapos mo na ba? Ano ito yung disiplina? So, okay. Camera on. Camera on. Malayo pa dito. Tagal pa yun. Okay. So, time check 9:20 ng umaga. Ngayon po ay linggo mga kapatid. So, tayo po magpapapawis yan. Pansamantala. Go. So, let's go. Ngayon punta tayo ng dagat. At bago tayo pumunta ng dagat, daan muna tayo ng opisina para check natin yung machine doon na piprint. Parang tapos na. Go, go. Ayos yun ah. Tumatawid. Green red pa lang. Oh. Ay, mukhang panalo ang PAP ah. May panalo. Dadaanan natin yung yung bagong bisikleta natin, bagong gawa. So doon tayo ng Vision Park, Vision Neighborhood Park. Yung mga sumasayaw dito ah. mga nakaharang. Copyright. Bakit muna tayo ng taas? Semenoko. Nakasarado to ah. Sarado muna natin. Picture muna. Ayos. Go. Makita. Sira na tong zipper. Kasi bukas sarado, bukas sarado. Yan na. Sila wala nagsosolo. Ano yung magsolo ka para masaya? Saka may ikot na marami.